What's going on, YouTube? This is Robert Douglas, and today we have a very special video for you because it's the coldest it's ever been in a generation where I live, and we're going to see if we can turn hot water, boiling hot water, into steam in the weather we have. Now, currently it's about 20 degrees below zero, and normally you would need something in the ballpark of 40 degrees below zero to pull this off. But I figure it's never going to get that cold where I live. So let's see just how far this will take us. So we're going to turn the water off here. And now we're going. As you can see, I've already opened my door. And it is miserable right now, ladies and gentlemen. But in the name of science, we're gonna see just how close we can get. All right, now more videos coming soon. Alright guys, I am Robert Douglas. Bye bye for now, YouTube.